Hi, I'm Luciana, and we're going to make a motif stitch today. I'm going to start with this motif stitch. I will show you several, but we will start with this one. What I did was I go to grid, right mouse click on grid, I put show grid, and I put my horizontal on one and vertical also one, and I check mark snap to grid. Also what I did is show rulers and guides. Snap to guides you don't need, but you can leave it or you can remove it. And click OK. I started with this one on the 0 line. So every little square is 1 by 1 millimeter. If you work in inches, you need to measure that out. I have no idea. But this is, well, these are centimeters and millimeters. We will start with this one, and therefore I go to Digitize Open Shape, Single Run, and I will start here at the 0 line. And I will go 5 up because mine is 5 millimeter high. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I will put, and mine is 10 centimeters wide. So I will put the first or the second one at 5 also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I go up, so that's here. Now you see there are 2 red lines. That means you are exactly at the center of those 4 grids. So I right mouse click here. Remember, right mouse click, otherwise you don't get the curve. And here you do left mouse click. Now you go back, left mouse click, right mouse click, left mouse click, left mouse click, right mouse click, left mouse click, left, right, left. So okay, I say enter. Now I have a little motif or a little design, but my design now will start here and finish there. Because if I click on reshape, look, starts here and it finished there. And that's not what I want, because the golden rule with motifs is you start on the left side but always finish on that side. So you get a pattern, the next one next to this one. So this is no good, but in order to get it there, finish there, what I did is I clicked on backtrack first. If I click on backtrack, then what backtrack does is it will make the same design but reverse. It will start here and it will go back to the first stitch. This is backtrack. And of course it's still not good, but I just want to show you that you can do it this way. It's not, I don't know if it's the easiest way, but I will show you anyway. So I click on backtrack. Now here, under your sequence, you see there are 2. If I click on the second one, and I click on reshape, you will see this one will start here, because the green diamond means this is the starting point. The red cross is the last stitch. First stitch, last stitch. And the last stitch cannot be here, but must be there. So I need to make another line to there. So therefore, I go to Digitize Open Shape. I will click here and again make sure the horizontal and vertical lines are red. Then left mouse click here, right mouse click, and here left mouse click. and enter. Now you see you have a third line, and that is the line that goes from here all the way to there. If I select that line and I click on reshape, you will see it will start here and finish there. So this is good. And in order to show you, I will put the player on so you can see it. And we will go there a little bit faster so you can see there are no jumps. And it stops there. If you want to see it better, put review on or off and put the player on. Go to black. Now you can see this little thing, you can follow the lines easier. And you see, there also are no ties in it because they are so close together, the last stage and the first stage, that you don't get any ties. Stop. Okay, put review on. So this is our motif. There is another way, of course. If I delete everything, delete, then we are back with our first, and the first stops here. What you can do is, again, don't stop here, but again go back to make this motif. I digitize open shape. Well, I don't need to explain everything anymore. I think this is 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will say here left, left, right, left, left, right, left, left, right, left. What I will do now is I will go back. Right, left, left, right, left, left, right, left, left, right, left. That's right. And this is left. Enter. So now you have only one. And I will put the player on again and you will see. It's just one running line. Just the same as the other was. Okay. But it still is not a motif. What I will do is I will select it. And over here, I will click on motif. I made the category test hatchlings. You can make a new category by clicking on new. And let's call it test hatchlings 1. Okay, I will give this design a name. I just call it 01. Okay, now what you need to do is click here where your motif will begin and click there. I hold my control key down while I do this and click here because I want it there. And it has been created. Okay, now it's here. So what we will do now is go to Digitize Open Shape, Motif, and I will make a motif that will be 20, 30, 40 or 50 centimeters long. And why do I do this? because this little motif is 1 centimeter. And now I have 5 centimeter, a line from 5 centimeter. That means 5 of these patterns. If I do less, like this, there is not enough place for 5 patterns, and it will do 4 patterns, but it will divide them. So if I will show you, click on it and I say enter. Look, now you have some space here in between. Of course, what you can do is make your pattern a little bit wider. Let's say we make them, select it first, we make them 11 and enter, and they will be okay too. You see, they are close together. But if you don't want that, you want to keep them 10, then you go to Digitize, Open Shape, Motif, and you do a line from 20, 30 or 40 millimeters and enter, and they are together.